We're on the way to the bazaar! Yay! So I'm with Dan. Hi, Dan! And my sister Iza. Nawala si Dan. Si Dan nasa likod lang. Hi ka kay DT. Ayaw nga pala. May box pala, sorry. So, ang dami namin karga. Ayun. As usual, traffic. Oh, yeah. Si Mimi ay nasa ways namin. Wait po tayo. Skirt! Taba ka malaglag. Hindi ba saya? Okay, we're all so tired, but we're having dinner here at the wholesome table. Ito lang yung walang waiting period, so perfect. We have burrata, sourdough bread, chili, look at that. Hi! Pagod kayo? Yeah. Ano yan? Hot chocolate? Hot chocolate. Si DT pala boyfriend ni... Ay, si DT. Si DT. Boyfriend ni DT. Si Dan. Ayan. Oh, I have lemongrass iced tea. Super tired. Grabe. So I have to pack for Korean today. I was supposed to take Kaimu sa BGC, pero I'm not sure. So tired. So, ang straw here sa the wholesome table made of rice and tapioca. That's so cool. That's yung plastic girl. Skirt! Pizza. Kay Dan, mob burger. Oh, so yummy. Oh my god! I want that too. Miso glazed salmon. Miso glazed Isa. It's our second salmon. It's so yummy. Kain kami ulit. Finally home! Boo-boo! Galit ni. Hoy, bakit ngayon na kayo mawi? Mangulang niya kayo? Ha? Wala akong waki, mama. Ano ba? Bukas na, Bob. Mama's tired. Go to uncle. Hi, where's uncle? Auntie Isa. Auntie Isa. Kiss. Minsan tumatalo niya sa katawan. Chonky. My chonky baby. Sunday breakfast with Graham. We haven't been back here for so long.
I'm so full. Look at all the food, it's gone.
Oh my god. Bago yung side dish nila. Yum, yum, yum. We're at the new store across Mr. Korea. Pipilin ko kay Kaimu. Oh my god. Oh, look at this sad toy. After breakfast, lunch naman. Lunch with Mama and Iza. Si Ate parating pala. Hi, Ma! Oh my god. Gusto ko yun. Anong siyalong ba? Pork? Pork and chicken. Ooh, favorite namin. Fish. Oo nga. We got our nails done here at I Do Nails McKinney. Country club ako ulit ngayon. Yay! We're the Millers on the TV. I'm home. I'll give Kaimu his toy na. Up. Wait. Sit. Wait lang. Wait lang. Kumain na ng dinner si Kaimu. Kinalat niya. I think he likes it. That was a bowl full of food. No, bubu? What a good boy. And then, naayos ko na rin yung mga food niya na I'll be leaving for him for the 4 days that I'll be gone. Lahat naka-label na. Ayan. That's a good boy, Bob. Good boy. Now I have to pack. Ngayon pa lang ako nag-aayos ng gamit. So, I unearthed my winter clothes sa luggage ko and sa other lagayan. So, yeah, I'm just gonna plan out my outfits pa lang. Day 1 is this one. Day 1. So, I ordered or I bought ultra warm heat tech leggings from Uniqlo. Yeah, so I'm just mixing and matching. I am going to repeat outfits. I don't really care anymore. Whew, okay. Okay, so I'm done planning. Outfit 1, 2, 3, 4. Hala na. So, up. Go down, Baba. Let's pack na. Down, baby. Okay, so I'm all packed. Inayos ko na. So, these are all my clothes. These are the coats and my boots. And I made sure to not to overpack. Ayokong magdala na super dami. So, I have like 3 coats. Yes, we're done. I have to pack my carry-on luggage now. Ito yung binili ko, ultra warm heat tech. I only have kasi yung parang extra warm yata yun, but this is like the ultra warm daw. So, iba yung lining niya sa loob, which is so much better, I guess. Yeah, got just 2 lang, 2 pieces each, and that's it. Baba, say good night na. Good night, guys. I'll see Baba in 4 days. Okay, you wait for Mama, huh? Oh, I love you, boo-boo. Love you so much. I'll finish packing and then kailangan ko mag-edit ng video. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.